Hare Krishna everyone, and so today a lot of people say this, that if you dedicate yourself to God or Lord Krishna, then you have to you have to renounce everything material. It's a false conception. Today I'm here to clear this doubt of everyone, that those who believe that spiritualism is escapism to material life, that is not right. As a matter of fact, Srila Prabhupada very rightly says that material things, if you convert it into it, if you make it work for spiritual purpose, it becomes spiritual. I'll give one example, like the deity of Lord Krishna. Let's say the deity is made of stone, it's wood, material, it's all material things. But when the deity is sanctified, but when that stone or that wood is used for Lord Krishna, it becomes spiritual. A lot of deities we have seen in history that they they have presented a lot of magic. A lot of magics have been appeared from that deity. So that deity becomes spiritual. It's not that God becomes that deity, but God invests his energy into that. So that is the main thing. So Lord Krishna also says in Bhagavad Gita, that's a good example, wonderful example from history we can take. Lord Krishna says to Arjun that, Arjun says to Lord Krishna that why I should not renounce this entire world. मैं इस संसार को त्याग देता हूँ, मैं ज्ञान मार्ग पे चलता हूँ, मैं इन सबको क्यों, मैं इस लहूलुहान युद्ध में क्यों engaged हूँ? I am engaged in this fratricidal war and killing my relatives and who are very close to me. They are like parents to me, more closer than parents sometimes. So why should I kill them? Why should I get engaged into these sinful activities? मैं इन पापों में क्यों उलझूं? मैं ये सब छोड़ देता हूँ. So Lord Krishna says that no, you don't have to do this. He says that you're a Kshatriya. Your duty is to fight. But how you can purify this? Then Lord Krishna says, Man mana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. That you keep me in your mind and do your duty. Isn't it a wonderful thing? So Lord Krishna actually doesn't advise him to take renunciation in life. He tells him, actually, presents the example of a wonderful renunciation. That even while working, even while being in this material world, you can renounce yourself. By how? By mind. A lot of people say that sannyas is escapism from materialism. No, it's not escapism from materialistic thing. Sannyas is not a state of physical renunciation. It is a state of mental renunciation. When you're working, if you detach yourself from the fruits of your work, then you are a real sannyasi. If you work, you don't get overwhelmed by lust, anger or greed. If you get detached from them, then you are a real sannyasi, a renouncer. See, sannyasi is not a word to demean anyone. It's a very huge thing. Sannyas means to renounce everything. Renounce does not mean that you should just leave home and go to forest, and then you in forest you go, you meet some people, then you get attached with some women, so to say. A lot of sannyasis do that. That is a pakhand. That is not real. Sannyas means to renounce mentally, to have mental renunciation of thoughts. So a lot of people, if they get attached to people and they can't leave it, that is not sannyas. That is actually falsity. So that should not be done. So Lord Krishna says that be in this material world, you do your duty, keep me in your mind, and believe, guys, just do this. Always keep Lord Krishna in center and keep working. Things will really work. And it may not work, but that not working is also good for you. So always keep Lord Krishna in center and work. That is essential. So that is essential. That is important and significant. So so Lord Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is God, himself says that work as a renouncer. It should work as sacrifice being done to me, done to Vishnu. Make your work yajna, a sacrifice for Lord Vishnu. That should be done. So when you work, so I'll just tell you this simple thing, that when you work, don't get attached to the fruits of your work. Just be detached to them. Just keep in your mind that, okay, I've done this work, now I'm leaving this up to God, up to Lord Krishna. That's it. I have nothing to achieve from this. I have nothing to lose from this. These two things you should keep in mind. So this is real renunciation, And so you can do your material things, you can do your work, dedicate it to Lord Krishna, it will become spiritual. Another example is food. In ISKCON, there's prasadam. What is prasadam? Prasadam is actually, when you make food, there are material things involved in it. Wheat and everything is material. But when you devote it to Lord Krishna, then it becomes spiritual. The same material thing becomes spiritual. So that is the difference. So it's in your hand to whether convert it into spiritual or to make material mundane and then face the effects of it, sinful effects of it. So just work like this, work in a spiritual way by dedicating your work to Lord Krishna, keeping in mind Lord Krishna, and then you can achieve the real goal of life, that is spiritual consciousness, that is Krishna consciousness. That is very essential. So this is the message today, that work with spiritual attitude, work with renunciation. Hare Krishna.